Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can enable the dual pairing mode on the Sharp speaker. So to do this, first of all we have to turn it on by using this power button on the back, so click on it once.
Bluetooth.
Next we have to click and hold minus and the plus, so let's do this right now for at least 8 seconds.
Dual mode pairing.
Right now we can release, and as you can see the indicator on the front is also blinking, on the back is also blinking, so right now we are able to synchronize the two speakers. Unfortunately I have only one, so I cannot show you how we can do this, but it will just simply happen automatically. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.